Y'all, I'm recording for YouTube and for TikTok. First of all, this wig has just been giving me problems since day one, okay? Now, y'all seen in the beginning of the video, this wig was thick, like voluminous, nice, and thick, right? Personally, for me, it was too thick. I didn't expect it to be that thick though. This is the wig, okay? Nisha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig. First of all, I get it, like y'all trying to mimic like a black woman's hair. I get it, completely get it. But when I say, like, when I had it like just regular in its natural state, like this, I felt like it was too much. I felt like it made my head look big. I felt like it was just too thick for me to work with. So when I was doing this wig, because it is a T-part wig, I was putting the wax on it. Now I didn't realize I was putting too much wax on it until I straightened it like this. Now I'm gonna show you guys a clip. I believe I took a clip of me straightening this wig. At first I loved it. The back straightened beautifully because there's no wax back here. Straightened beautifully. The front, it was giving much oily. It was giving oily, and it wasn't what I was going for. Don't get me wrong, the wig is beautiful, color is beautiful, everything is beautiful about this wig except the thickness of the wig. And I feel like it was too thick to even work with or manage. And I feel like that wig, like, I don't know if anybody else feels the same way. Maybe it's just me. And maybe I should have got a different color because maybe I could have pulled it off, but with this color, I couldn't do it. On the model, she looks beautiful. I got this exact color right here, the DRFF Honey Brown. She looks beautiful. Me? So pretty much this is probably like day 2 or 3. And what I did was I had to wash this wig twice because, like I said, I didn't realize I was putting too much wax on it when I was trying to hot comb it and get it really flat. I had to wash this thing 2 times, okay? It's still giving that, but it's still giving oil, like oily, but I feel like it's just, like, that's just the hair when you straighten it. That's what I'm thinking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to completely change this wig, completely. And I straightened it. I was going to curl it, like bump the curls. I did not like that. That's giving ugly. So looking at it straight, I'm thinking I'm going to give myself a bob. So that is what I'm going to do. So this is the finished look. I just decided to finish filming in the bathroom because I'm just ready to take this off. But nah, let's get into the specs of this unit. So as I already know, I'm wearing a Nisha wig, and this is a wig from Outre, and this is part of their Nisha collection. So this one is in the style 201. And this is in the color DRFF Honey Brown. What really spoke out to me about this wig was the model. Now, I got the same one that she has on now. It doesn't look like her color, but I thought honestly like this part was going to be like more lighter like her color, but you know, it's okay. Usually the synthetic wigs that you see in the picture is not what you're gonna get. You're probably gonna get something a little bit darker. But yeah, so if you watched throughout the whole video, you would have seen that I tried to do a lot with this wig, okay? So for me, what I had to do was, unfortunately, I had to wash it twice because of the amount of wax that I use on the wig. When it was in its natural state, like the model, I put a lot of wax because you can see that she has a lot of volume, and you can see that the hair is thick. The hair did not come like this, okay? So I had to put a lot of wax to get that hair down. I was able to get the hair down, but I still did not like how the hair was looking on me, unfortunately. I just thought it was just too big. Like, maybe if I got it in like a different color, like maybe like a 1B or a 1, I feel like it would give off more natural, but honestly to me it's not sticking out. It's not giving. Another thing about it was it's not big head friendly. I will say, like, I got a big head, and usually the wigs that I get from Outre, they do stretch. This one, however, it does not stretch. So if you have a huge head, just be aware that this is not big head friendly. Now the lace does come pre-plucked, but I did pluck it a little bit more to my liking. Like I said, this is a T-part wig, so you can't really do much to it. I don't have this wig glued down currently because it's like day 100 of styling this wig, but I pre-plucked a little bit in the front. It was only so much that you can do, you know, because they only give you a little bit of parting space, and you know, it stops like right here. So you can't really do too much. Now this wig is also heat resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I think it straightened fairly well. It only took one pass to get it like nice and silky. And I was surprised by that because I thought I was gonna have to do like 1 or 2 passes, but no. Yeah, I think this was like my first review that's like bad. Like, it's not giving for me personally, but I will say, like, it's not a bad wig. Like, if you want to get like a beginner wig, go ahead and get this. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this wig. Let me know if you like how I cut and styled it, and also let me know if you would have done anything differently. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.